This 30-piece BORHOOD Bird Spike set offers wide coverage for ledges, fences, and roofs, making it much harder for nuisance birds and small animals to settle. The combination of longer and shorter spikes creates an uncomfortable landing surface that discourages robins, small pigeons, squirrels, and even curious neighborhood cats without injuring them. Made from sturdy acrylic plastic rather than metal, these strips resist rust, do not easily warp, and hold up well through sun, rain, and seasonal temperature changes. Each strip can be cut down to size, so it is simple to customize sections for narrow railings, balcony edges, shed roofs, or awkward corners. Installation is straightforward because the base accepts nails, screws, adhesive tape, glue, or zip ties, allowing you to choose whatever mounting method suits the surface. The brown color and low profile help the spikes blend into many outdoor structures, while still providing a clear physical and visual barrier that keeps birds from nesting where they should not.